How to change your phone number in Commbank. You can change your phone number in Commbank online or through the Commbank app. Here are the steps to do it through the Commbank app. Open the Commbank app and log into your account. Tap on the Profile tab. Then tap on Manage Contact Details. Then tap on Change Mobile Number. You then want to enter in your new mobile number. Then enter a verification code that will be sent to your new mobile number. And then tap on the Change Mobile Number button. Here are the steps on how to do it through NetBank. Go to NetBank and log into your account. Click on the Profiles tab. Then click on the Contact Details. Then click on the Change Mobile Number button. Enter in your new mobile number and then enter a verification code that will be sent to your new mobile number. Click on the Change Mobile Number button and then your number will have changed. Once you've changed your phone number, you will need to update your contact information with any other business or organisation. Once you've changed your phone number, you will need to update your contact information with any other business or organisation that you have your old number on file with. Here are some things to keep in mind when changing your number in Commbank. You will need to be able to verify your identity. You may need to provide additional information such as your date of birth or address. And your new mobile number will be used for two-factor authentication, so make sure you have access to it. And that is exactly how you can change your phone number in Commbank. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.